Hey everyone, if you no longer need PDFsam Basic or you're planning to reinstall it, uninstalling the program is quick and easy. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to uninstall PDFsam Basic step by step. First, close PDFsam Basic completely if it's currently running. This helps prevent any issues during the uninstallation process. Next, open your computer's installed apps or programs list. On Windows, you can open asterisk settings, go to apps asterisk, then installed apps asterisk or apps and features asterisk asterisk. On macOS, open the asterisk asterisk applications asterisk folder. Now locate PDFsam Basic asterisk in the list of installed applications. Click on it and choose the asterisk uninstall asterisk asterisk option. If a confirmation message appears, select asterisk asterisk yes asterisk or uninstall asterisk asterisk to continue. Then follow the on-screen instructions until the removal process is complete. After the uninstallation finishes, you can restart your computer if prompted. This helps remove any remaining temporary files that may still be in use. If you're planning to install PDFsam Basic again, you can download the latest version from the official PDFsam website and perform a fresh installation. Finally, check your programs or applications list to confirm that PDFsam Basic has been completely removed from your computer, and that's it. Now you know how to uninstall PDFsam Basic safely and completely. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching.